What's up, gadgeteers? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have a sling bag from Inateck, and this is where you're gonna get when you purchase that bag. A nice looking box here with Inateck branding there with all kinds of stuff. Looks very good. Bam, look at that. Let's go ahead and unbox this bad boy and take a look at the bag itself. Very nice packaging. Let's go ahead and remove that and take a look at the bag. You do have Inateck branding there. It's like a nice little metal thing. Very nice, kind of like nylon or TPU type of material, almost like windbreaker-ish. Windbreaker-ish. That didn't come out right, but very nice. You do have woven in YKK zippers, which is tougher than the rest. That's good. And it is splash resistant. I don't know how many liters this is. Let me see how many liters this bad boy is. This is a 4-liter capacity, which is good enough. But let's go ahead and dive right into this bad boy. Up front, you do have a bag and a zipper there. Pretty nice, pretty big actually compartment for being a front bag. You do have a little sleeve there for a wallet or something. Your key lanyard, like most of them do, bam, with a little metal hook there, and you can just put your keys, place them in here, put a wallet or a phone, anything in there, nice, anything that you need to access very quickly. One thing to mention is this portion right here is reflective. So at night, this thing's going to reflect. So if you like biking, riding a electrical scooter or something at night, you have this across your back. It's good because it's going to help as a reflector. It's going to help cars and people see you. And then you have these straps here on the side that kind of open like so. And you do have a water bottle or a what do you call it? A water bottle or a umbrella or a like jacket compartment right here, as you can see. Doesn't go through. You have like this nice nylon material here. You can put a water bottle, soda, a fold-up windbreaker or anything, or an umbrella in there, which is absolutely fantastic. It is a nice hidden compartment. And then you have your main compartment here over the top. And this main compartment has a bunch of organization, which I absolutely love. You can pull back. You have this nice padded section here for like an iPad mini, your cell phone, or anything like that you want to put in there, a Nintendo Switch. Then you have these elastic loops here for knives, flashlight, cables, anything you want to put in there. And then you have two kind of meshy compartments bags here, as well as another bag there and another bag there, which is actually pretty cool. And it is staggered. You have a big pocket here, a big pocket here, small pocket here, and a small pocket here, which makes it easily for storability issues to put stuff like that. And you have a zipper in here as well if you want to put anything in there to keep it away from everything else. You have this nice zipper. So this looks and expands pretty big. So you do have nice storability compartment in there. Feels very good. And on the back you do have another hidden compartment right here that you can store away like your wallet, passport, or anything like that you want to keep sacred. And then you got card slots here that are going to work. If you want to leave your wallet behind, you can go ahead and just put your ID, a credit card, or something in here. But overall, this looks pretty good. Your buckle here is made out of nice material. You got this easy adjustment mechanism here that you can just adjust on the fly and then click down, bam, and lock in place. If you want to adjust again, you go ahead and just pull that tab, adjust to whatever size you want, and then just lock it back in place. The clip itself feels very nice, good quality. It is Duraflex buckle, so you know it is nice quality actually. Feels very good, just slides in there very nice. But other than that, this bag feels pretty pretty good actually. A lot of compartments, got that water bottle compartment right there, which I absolutely like. And then when you have it on your body, it kind of straps it down and kind of compresses everything to keep it kind of nice and tight to your body. Very nice, good looking bag. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on and show you guys how this bad boy looks on my body. And there you have it, guys. That is the Inateck Sling bag. In my opinion, this thing is a must, especially because it is relatively cheap in price. I think right now, currently at the time of this video, it is about $35. You cannot go wrong with that. Absolutely bargain for what this thing provides. Plenty of room, plenty of organization, secret compartment for your water, umbrella, plenty of easily accessible. This, you cannot go wrong with this. YKK zippers, Duraflex buckle. This thing is absolutely fantastic. Now the back, I forgot to mention, it is this nylon material, which is absolutely fantastic because this is going to be against your body, and you don't want this kind of like soft, like, what do you call it, rain type material pressing against you, because it is going to make you sweat. But there you have it, guys. If you want to go ahead and pick this bad boy up for yourself, link will be in the description of the video. If you have any questions regarding this bad boy, please leave them down in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace!